Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of JB Outdoors. Today I'm going to be installing a jack plate on my 12-foot V aluminum boat. This is an Aerocraft, and the purpose of the jack plate will be to raise the motor out of the water a little bit, as the plate is about 2 inches below the bottom of the boat, which needs to be absolutely level to have the peak efficiency out of the motor. I built my jack plate. A very simple design. You can buy these on Amazon as well, not these as in mine, but you can buy them already made and everything on Amazon, and I found them to be a little costly for what they are. So what I did was I had 1.5 inch aluminum angle and bolted 2 pieces together and then drilled the holes for mounting purposes. I'm using grade 8 zinc plated hardware. And the wood that I'm using is just some scrap wood that I had laying around that I'm using for testing purposes. So let's go ahead and get this mounted up. First I need to pull the motor off, and then we can get started. Tools that I'm using today, I'm using an Impact, a DeWalt brand Impact driver with a 1/4 inch chuck to a 3/8 inch drive and a 1/2 inch socket. I'm also using a DeWalt drill driver with a 1/4 inch metal and wood bit. I'm going to be using a pair of C-clamps to hold while I drill the holes. I've already marked out my height is where I need to mount it. Now I have all my holes drilled. I'm going to start with my either 2 inch I need to countersink the bolt head into the wood behind it. And I can put a lock washer on. And a nut. One starts on the other side. God damn it. Kick the tripod. Now that I have it mounted up, I'm going to use some of this Goop brand. This is plumbing and marine contact adhesive and sealant. So I can do one bolt at a time. I'll start with my 2 lower ones. I'll pull these guys back out, run sealant through the hole, and then put the bolt and nut back on.